Hi everyone, for this invention I will need a few bolts, screw nuts and a nail. Using a caliper, I measure the connecting screw nut and mark the middle. Now I will solder two identical bolts from opposite sides of the nut. They should be located at the center marked earlier. I clamp the screw nut in a vise and carefully solder the bolts on all sides. I'm chipping away the extra solder. Now I will try to screw the bolt of the appropriate size into the nut and sand the solder places. Using a caliper, I measure the width of the screwed bolt. I will take a larger bolt and mark the center of the bolt head. I will use the core to mark it. Now I will drill a hole on the mark with a small drill bit. I take a drill bit the size of a screwed bolt and expand the hole. I will try to insert a blank. The hole size fits well. Using a caliper, I measure the depth of the hole and make the cutoff point. Now I will take the grinder and cut off the desired part. I need to make some more holes. To do this, I will map out the necessary locations using the core. These are the holes you should get. Using the grinding machine, I round off the workpiece. I insert a nail into the holes. It moves freely in the device. Using the grinder, I will cut off the extra part from the nail and fix it on the device. I will round off one edge of the invention and polish it. I will make a small notch at the end. On the opposite side of the bolt head, I will solder a nail. This will be the handle. I will drill a few more small holes in the bolt. I will tighten the screw nuts of the appropriate size on both sides. The invention is ready, so let's check it out. I will try to connect the two hoses. I will wind the wire and thread its ends through the hole of the invention. Fix the ends with the nuts. Screw in the bolt, and the knots begin to tighten. Done. It remains to cut off the excess. It is a solid connection. Let's connect two thicker hoses. I will need a much stronger wire for them. I will wind the wire and thread its ends through the hole of the invention. Fix the ends with the screw nuts. Screw in the bolt, and the knots begin to tighten. it remains to cut off the excess. It is a solid connection. So if you are interested in this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.